little wooden bird inside called a cuckoo.
I've never seen the cuckoo.
That's because we stopped winding it a long time ago.
The cuckoo got a bit annoying.
Oh, can we wind it up
Ano
again?
lasa?
All right.
Ang tamis-tamis yung gitna.
Daddy Pig is winding up the cuckoo
Ano
clock.
lasa?
There.
Daddy Pig sets the clock to the right.
Kaya mo yan?
It is nearly 9 o'clock.
Party mo naman.
Daddy, can we see the cuckoo now?
You'll see the cuckoo soon.
What does she look like, Daddy?
Now let me think. She moves her head like this. And she flaps her wings like this. And she says,
What a noisy little cuckoo.
Elia.
It's going to do something. Yummy.
Yummy.
Silly George. You missed the cuckoo. The cuckoo's really,
Bilis.
really brilliant. She went cuckoo, and you.
Buti ka pa, yummy. Si papa mo.
never mind, George.
Ang arte.
See cuckoo next time.
But you'll have to wait. Cuckoo only comes out once an hour.
Wait a
Laglag.
boring. Come on, George. Let's play out.
Uy, wag mo nang pakialaman ako na.
George
Ah,
doesn't want to play outside. He is waiting to see.
bilis na.
It is nearly 10 o'clock. George has been waiting for Cuckoo for almost an hour.
George, come and play. Mr. Dinosaur wants you to play too.
George has missed Cuckoo.
Hindi ka pa pwede.
Never mind, George. Why don't you play in the garden? I'll call you when it's time to see cuckoo.
Bilis na. Lakihan mo.
Nearly 11 o'clock.